So we'll see if we can get this one with the fishing pole and not the dinghy. And then we'll just reconnect the motor wires. We should still have plenty of life left in the set of light bulbs that's in there, I believe. I'll check them anyways. That's what I'm talking about. I didn't catch many fish as a little kid, but I can catch a goddamn boat. VKR, baby. I got a big one. I'll take this over a fucking little perch any day. $8 fishing pole, Walmart. You guys should have one. That's why take out the big boat when you can just get all the stuff near the shore with your little fishing pole. $8. Usually the tennis balls are in the next aisle over.